Social update UG. Kakati nno olunaku olwaleero Sheebah katwogere ku Sheebah agamba nti she was almost raped in her car by a top government official. So kabeka video kano nga akyogerako ye kennyini.
After performing, I punished myself. I was thinking, why not just fucking return the money? Do I deserve the disrespect? No. Why do you look at women as objects? Don't you have daughters? Treat the women you meet on the way like you would want your daughters to be treated, please. Seriously. I was imagining if you could try. And then after performing, I punished myself. I was thinking, why not just fucking return the money? Do I deserve the disrespect? No. Why do you look at women as objects? Don't you have daughters? Treat the women you meet on the way like you would want your daughters to be treated, please. Seriously. I was imagining if you could try that shit with me.
Oyo nno ye muyimbi Sheebah Karungi nga tottola ensonga eyabaddewo wali ng'agenza okuyimba. I was almost raped from my car by a big person in government. Okitegeera, artist Sheebah Karungi aka Sheebah Karungi has narrated a shocking ordeal in which she claims that a certain eminent member of the government tried to sexually impose himself on her while she chilled away in her car. Sheebah avuddeyo n'annyonnyola n'agamba nti yawonye okubeera ng'akwatibwa oluvannyuma lw'omuntu omu omunene mu gavumenti okuba nga yabadde ayagala okuba nga amwepaatiikako nga awumuliddeko mu mmotoka ye. Okitegeera nno ekyo. According to the nkwataako singer, she was in her car lolling as she waited for a stage performance when this big person in the government pulled the door open and started touching her. Anti mwagamba nti no government eri mu securing a future kati ndowooza owulira abali munda mu government bye bakola andi eri mu securing a future balina ababakuuma balina amagye bakola buli kye baagala. Now you can listen to this kind of nonsense. The enjoyer singer says that the person who used his security might having appeared with a huge security detail. They neutralized her team members and started acting funny in an inappropriate way. One of the people you respect and call real role models, this old pervert was acting funny with me in my car. They opened my car with his security. I was asleep. He was trying to be inappropriate. No shame, no remorse, nothing, she narrated. Sheebah claims that she was angry enough and contemplated not performing, but later thought about the man and job. So she decided to proceed and perform. Sheebah nga omulidde mu kavidiyo ng'agamba nti yabadde abulako katono okubeera nga abisazaamu ebyokuyimba naye nalowooza ku mulimu ne ssente munnange n'agamba waayi kamale gayimba. The Ndiwanjawulo singer said she almost returned the money but did not delve into the details of whether it happened. Teyatunyonyodde oba kyabaddewo oba tekyabaddewo. She later lamented that such people are treating girls out there worse and abetted. Era Sheebah n'avaayo n'agamba nti bwe kyamutuukiddeko nga ye Sheebah Karungi ayabadde alina security detail eyiye nga celebrity. Olw'abawala abalala ba bulijjo mwala alina kamotoka ke. Gano agasajja agali mu gavumenti gasobola okuba nga gabakwata n'obakwata engeri gye gana security ne SFC police nga babakuuma ne gabeera nga gakozesa ekyo nga advantage ne geepaatika ku bawala abato oba abakyala. The singer refuses to mention the person behind the acts, but goes on and on into the book of lamentations, asking for consideration from certain types of men to look at every woman like their daughter. Agasajja gali mu gavumenti omwo tegakyalina bwongo butegeera kubanga weepaatikwa ku mukazi just because you have a security detail. Sheebah n'avuddeyo n'abeera nga yeekubira omulala nga katusuubire era wali kintu kirina kinamutuukako kikyamu. Osobola okubeera ng'ombula kirowooza mu comments ku nsonga eno. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Peace.